Okay, we got something pretty cool. We got an entire HVAC filter thing for HVAC units. Whoopsie doopsie, it fell into the fire. Oh god, it's suffocating the fire. Oh god, it
Holy cow, that's
burned right through.
wow.
Cool.
Those wires are. What are those wires made of?
Steel, probably.
Boo.
They're burning, so probably steel.
Boo.
Boo. Steel. You're not melting.
Sheesh. I'm gonna shed?
What am I gonna do with the mesh?
That's my thought.
I don't know. I'll take care of it.
Hopefully it makes a cool shape.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that lawnmower air filter thing is still somewhere in that shed. The mesh from that? I might still actually have that.
I just remembered Russell.
Oh. Hold that thought unless you want it to be taped. Okay.
Whoa. Holy fuck. That's
Yeah.
a big again.
Safety engaged.
Crisis averted.
Wow, that was pretty incredible. I don't know. We should close the frickin' thing. I think what happened is the heat from the filter caused all the wood underneath it to burn up suddenly. Because that wood wasn't burning before.
Throw more. I'll do it, I guess. I'll throw shit on that.
Now?
What?
Right now?
Yeah, it's got heat now.
Okay.
It's gonna be going away in a second. I guess get with the wind. Right now is a good time to put more stuff on before it goes out if you can. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is that all you brought?
What? Yeah, there was not much there.
Oh, we burned all the shit?
Well, yeah, there's other stuff there, but my dad said don't burn anything that's painted. I guess that's the end of the filter.